Hey everyone, JT here. Welcome to section 1 of our personal finances for business owners course. Understanding your financial foundation. Think of your personal finances like a fortress. To withstand the storms of life and the ups and downs of business, you need a strong foundation. And that's what we're going to build into this section. We will cover 3 key areas. First, budgeting for business owners. We will tackle the unique challenges of budgeting with inconsistent income and create a system that prioritizes consistency and flexibility. Think of fixed monthly transfers and quarterly bonuses. Second, we're going to build an emergency fund. Just like little Johnny needs help, needs a backup plan when those unexpected storms hit his lemonade stands, you need a financial safety and a net for those surprises, expenses that life throws your way. We explore how to build and maintain a healthy emergency fund, even when fluctuating with income. 3, managing debt. That can be a useful tool, but it also becomes a major burden. We will discuss different types of debt, exploring strategies for paying it off effectively. It's not always about the highest interest rate, and learn how to avoid common debt traps. By the end of this section, you will have a solid understanding of your financial foundation and the tools you need to build a secure financial future for yourself and for your business. Let's get started.